Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I am again with yet another makeup look. Something really simple, something really cute, something really summer vibe-ish for you guys to easily do. If this is your first time to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video throughout. And make sure you leave a comment. Let me know if you liked it, if you loved it, if you're gonna try it, if you're gonna share it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at MyTayBates. Anyways, let's get right into this simple, quick look. So I usually do voiceovers, but it's gonna be a quick look, so I'm just gonna go ahead and talk it over. So I'm going to be using the Il Makiage No Filter Poreless Base Smoothing Primer that I usually use in my other makeup looks. I really love the way it makes my skin feel, and after a long day of wearing makeup, it still sits pretty well. So I definitely think it's worth it. Okay, face is primed. I'm gonna go ahead with my LA Girl Pro Conceal to cover all of these spots that I have. This one is almost finished, but I have like 3 more. I don't know why my skin has been breaking out lately, but I figured it's due to over exfoliating. I might as well do a little chat while we're here. Something's been on my mind lately, which really has had me down. This whole coronavirus thing, I feel like I never talk about it. I don't talk about it on my page really, but I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made in M40. It's really scaring me because now they're talking about a vaccine, which, let me just say, I'm going to refuse. Yeah, definitely not getting it. So I was watching this video of Bill Gates talking about the vaccine, and he seemed absolutely clueless. His ums and his non-verbals were super like justifying to the fact that this vaccine is going to be no good for us humans. And it's just been worrying me because they can either trick you into getting it, saying it's something else, and then here we go, all of us black people dying. That's so scary. So that's just been on my mind, honestly, and I'm just like, God, please take control of this country, because this is just too much. It is too much. I'm scared for my daughter, scared for my husband, for any future kids. Kind of almost don't even want to bring any more kids into this crazy world because it's just too much. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just scary. I just used the LA Girl Pro Conceal in a lighter color so that when I put my eyeshadow on, it shows, it pops. This is my new favorite palette, the Take Me to Brazil by BH Cosmetics. Yes, honey, my new fave. I'm going to do like a orangey yellow vibe today, so I'm gonna go in with like this orange one first. Yeah, so that's what's been on my mind super like scary, honestly, because we don't know what this government is capable of. You know what I'm saying? Like, what is this government capable of? You know? Anyways, I love doing like turning every look into a smoky eye look, so that is exactly what I'm gonna do. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that with my Morphe 350 palette, my neutral palette. And I'm gonna pick a neutral color, something similar to my skin tone, to go ahead and blend that. You see that, baby? Okay. Blend that orange. Kind of looks pinkish now, but that's cool. It blends really well together. I am not the queen of blending just yet, but your girl is learning. What do you guys think about getting the vaccine for this coronavirus situation? What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section, because I don't think it's safe. I don't. I'm not big on vaccines anyways. I was really hesitant in Haley getting vaccines. I have an aunt who's like a total advocate of this generation not getting vaccines, but we pray over every doctor's appointment over every vaccine, because we know God is in control nonetheless. And we're not being naive, you know what I'm saying? We're just, God gave men medicine to help, you know what I'm saying? It's just scary. All right, I'm gonna go back in with the BH Cosmetics, the orange, to pack it on again, because it seems to like have left a little. Yes, baby. This is a summer look vibe, okay? You see that? Stop playing, your girl is getting it. All right, we're done with that. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. Hold on. Just gonna clean that. I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush. I usually do my eyeshadow first, but definitely didn't do that today. I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quick. Oh. Ooh, that eyeshadow looks cute. Wait till I put it in, show it in pictures. I need to wash this brush so hard. I get this question all the time. How did I learn to fill in my brows? Let me tell you, baby. I've been practicing since 2013. I had this one friend who was a makeup artist back then. I think she still did, I don't know. We ain't friends no more, but she used to fill in eyebrows back then, and I'm like, girl, teach me. And she would like tell me what to do, but never like in person. So eventually I learned, but I didn't learn until like 2014, I think. It took me some time. I started and then I gave up. You guys hear Eric laughing in the other room? If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you, me and you, what we do, it stays between. I like my eyebrows to look dark. That's just what I like. Okay. Anyways, so that's that. I'm gonna add some mascara. I think I gotta add a little more orange. Please don't touch me like that. Cause you know I'll react. Don't make me do this. I feel so foolish. No, breaking rules and that's. Feel like I get it, baby. Gonna do a little. I love this. I love that I am learning. Like, I really doubted myself. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight on the inside. It makes me happy, and if you're happy, then let's be happy. Then let's be happy. Yeah, me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between. Little highlight on my nose, and I'm using the e.l.f. Heart Defense highlight combo. I wonder if I have orange lipstick, but let me go ahead and put on some mascara. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Mega Plus Volume Express. Undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you, me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. And I'm going to do a nude lip, my favorite, the same one I use in every video. I used to love wearing bold lipstick, and I still have a few, but it's just not my vibe these days. Well guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Super quick, super easy. I used 3 colors on my eyeshadow. Nude lipstick, lip gloss, eyebrows, period. No contouring, no nothing. Cute summer look. Get into it, girl. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Share this with your girlfriend who wants a simple, cute summer look. And let me know what you guys think. if you had not had a chance to check out this hair tutorial that I did, make sure you guys go check that out. Share with a friend if you do try it out, either the makeup look or the hairstyle. Make sure you tag me in any of your pictures, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!